Happy birthday, Auntie! How young are you? Sayang di ka makakapunta sa kasal ko. Pero, ikaw ang number 1, Ninang. So, sa pagbalik mo dito, banding tayo. Miss na kita. Enjoy your day! Go.
Hi, Sis Dina! Happy 50th birthday sa'yo, ading ko. Wish ko sa'yo good health, happiness, and more blessing to come to you and to your family. Enjoy your day, special day, and we love you so much. Happy 50th birthday. More blessing to come. I love you very, very much. I miss you. Bye!
Hi Dinang, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your birthday for celebrate your family. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Dina. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Dina. I love you. And I miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi Lola Dina, happy 50th birthday. Siguro dami mong handa, no? Hagisan mo kami dito, ni Lindol, Happy birthday, Auntie Dina. Many more birthdays to come. Hello, Adeng. Happy birthday. Ngayon, 50 mo na. 10 taon na lang. 60 ka na, senior na. More birthdays to come. Sana ang hiling ko, good health kayong pamilya, lalong-lalo na ikaw para hintayin ka namin dito Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Dinang. More blessing manang, happy birthday. Sapay kong mata, agnanayon iti salon at mo, tano adati, agnanayon nga mang tultulong kinyami ni Mami. I love you, ingat always, love you manang ko. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Dina. Happy birthday, Dina. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.